Dude, I think we might have just found a swivel seat. Oh, yeah, I see bearings.
We just got to location number 2 on day 2. This is like 6 miles away from my mom's property and about 4 miles from the other place we were at yesterday with the Winnebago, but we came here for what we were told, a free car topper. But as soon as we got here, we realized there's a sweet G20 out in the field, so we're gonna go take some parts off of it. Great.
So last night sitting around the fire, we ran into Rich. He said we could go out to his place and get whatever we wanted, pretty much. So Ty spotted a G20. Hopefully he can get some parts off that for his van. Ford. Oh, it's a Ford, huh? Jeez.
Woo! Got a CD player in here.
We should try to get that ladder on the back, bro.
Dude! It's got the fucking swivel.
Nuh-uh. No, no doghouse. 40 Econoline in the middle of a field in South Dakota with a swivel seat. Yeah, our vans don't have swivel seats, so.
Dude.
Does the other one swivel too? Please tell me. They both swivel. Oh my goodness, we both score swivel seats. Yeah.
You only want
What year would you say this van is? Let me know in the comments what you think. Big burn pit, an old boat. Dang. Big old motor, bunch of tires.
take the light out here.
Plenty of wiring, that's nice.
But it would be.
Oh, Pokemon cards. I call dibs on these.
Yeah, those are good.
Man, scored old Pokemon cards in this old van. So I got a few more things I wanted, like one of those USB things. Yeah, I got those wire cutters.
Bring those home bitches over here now.
We're not leaving without these seats.
20 minutes later. You know what? We've decided to leave the seats.
Get the ladder off. Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah, I might have to get under the van. Hope not. Boy, the mosquitoes are crazy out here. So we need my inverter, so we're gonna hook up a side grinder to the diesel truck we're driving. So we're gonna try my inverter. Inverter, check.
Sawzall, hopefully.
Grinder, check. Will my inverter run the grinder? We'll find out. Stay tuned.
Getting a little bit of better access to the seat mounts. Cutting the carpet out.
So we actually just got one of the swivel seats out. And on to the next one. Getting some air in here because it's hot as balls. But the inverter seems to be handling my the grinder, so pretty awesome.
Fuck you! That's what we want. That's all she wrote in here. Yeah, it was really hot, really dirty.
Yeah.
It was actually some stuff we wasted more time than we should have, but quite a bit of stuff. Again, if you haven't already, you should hit subscribe on both of our channels, HighDollarHobo and Daily Del Sol. We're going to be constantly creating more content for the next couple of months, so if you haven't already, do that now. And just
Hope you enjoy, guys.
keep in touch and comment what you like and what you don't like, and we'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace.